Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the @everyone on your Discord server. So let's say you have a problem, you have a pretty big server or just a basic one and you don't want everyone to get pinged when somebody does that. Now this is not a problem for people that have a status set to do not disturb, but it is a problem for everybody else. Now, how do we remove this? Well, first of all, you go right here, then you go to server settings. After that, you go to roles, and you should have this role, the @everyone role. Now, if you somehow do not have this role, well, you can create it. After that, you click on it, and you should be sent to this part. On permissions, you can either search it or you can scroll down. I'm going to search for the thing we are searching for because it's faster and more efficient. Okay, as you can see, this is what we are searching for. You just turn this off, and after that you should have fixed the problem. Well, now whenever somebody tries to @everyone, it will not work. Nobody will get a notification from it, and this should have fixed your problem. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or problems, ask them down below in the comment section. Anyways, bye.